Hey there, fellow minimalists. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of laundry. I know it might not be the most exciting topic, but when you approach it with a minimalist mindset, it becomes an absolute breeze. In this video, I will share my step-by-step guide on how I do laundry as a minimalist. Believe me, it's so easy that even your laundry-hating friends will be converted. So let's get started with Laundry 101. But before we begin, I want to let you know that I've included links to all the products mentioned in this video in the description below. So if you find something that resonates with you, feel free to check out those links for more information and convenient shopping. All right, let's get started. 1. Streamline your inventory. In my minimalist approach to laundry, one of the key principles is to streamline your inventory. It means reducing the number of items that need to be washed, from clothing to textiles, to simplify your laundry routine and create a more efficient system. By embracing a minimalist mindset, you can experience the ease and benefits of a simplified laundry process. To streamline your inventory, closely examine your wardrobe and assess the clothes you truly need and regularly wear. Consider donating or selling items that no longer serve or bring you joy. Minimizing the number of clothes you own and will reduce the amount of laundry that accumulates, making it easier to manage and stay on top of. When you have fewer clothes, keeping track of what's clean and what's not becomes simpler. It eliminates the need for constant washing and prevents the buildup of unnecessary laundry. By reducing your inventory, you can focus on maintaining a smaller curated collection of clothing that aligns with your style and lifestyle. Another aspect of streamlining your inventory is extending it to household textiles such as bed sheets and towels. Consider having one set of sheets for each bed and a limited number of towels. By minimizing the amount of these items, you'll decrease the overall laundry load and free up storage space in your home. 2. Opt for low-maintenance fabrics. When doing laundry as a minimalist, choosing low-maintenance fabrics is a game changer. The more high-maintenance your fabrics and textiles, the more time and effort you'll spend caring for and managing those items. As a frugal minimalist, I've consciously tried to eliminate high-maintenance items in favor of easy-to-wash and maintained fabrics. Imagine having to hand-wash delicate garments or rush to the dry cleaners frequently. That's time-consuming and costly. Instead, toss them in with your regular laundry load and use fabrics that can handle regular machine washing. This simple switch will save you so much hassle in the long run. I've said goodbye to anything that requires special care, like hand-washing or dry cleaning. Instead, I focus on filling my closet with items that I can toss into the washing machine and set on a normal cycle without worries. It simplifies my laundry routine and gives me peace of mind, knowing that I won't damage my favorite pieces with incorrect care. When you choose low-maintenance fabrics, you also benefit from longer-lasting clothes. High-maintenance fabrics often wear out faster due to the extra care they require, leading to more frequent replacements and additional expenses. On the other hand, low-maintenance fabrics can withstand regular washing and retain their quality and appearance over time. 3. Stop washing so often. One of the key principles of minimalist laundry is to stop washing your clothes unnecessarily. Many of us habitually wear an item once and toss it into the laundry, whether it's truly dirty or not. However, this approach wastes water and energy and causes unnecessary wear and tear on your clothes. As a minimalist, we aim to be more mindful of when to do laundry and follow a more efficient and sustainable approach. In our household, we've set clear guidelines for when clothes should be washed. There are only 2 reasons an item of clothing would get washed: if it's visibly soiled or doesn't pass the smell test. It means that if an item still looks clean and has no unpleasant odors, it doesn't need to be laundered immediately. By adhering to these guidelines, we easily cut down the laundry we need to do by 50% or more. Another tip to reduce frequent washing is to designate items for multiple uses. For example, you can use towels for a few days before washing them. Similarly, jeans and certain outerwear items like jackets or blazers can often be worn multiple times before needing a wash. Adopting this practice not only saves water and energy, but also helps extend the lifespan of your clothes. We also encourage our family members to be more mindful of their daily clothing choices. If someone has only worn an item for a short period and it's still clean, we encourage them to hang it back up or fold it neatly to wear again later. By promoting this behavior, we unnecessarily reduce the number of clothes that end up in the laundry hamper. 4. Reduce your workload with matching or color coding. Matching or color coding can be applied to various items, such as socks, underwear, and clothing for different family members. Ensuring that each item has a designated match or color eliminates the need to spend extra time searching for the right pair. It also helps children or other family members easily identify their belongings and take responsibility for managing their laundry. For example, you can dedicate a specific color or pattern for each family member's socks. By having only one type of sock design, even if one goes missing or gets damaged, you can still pair it with the remaining socks of the same kind. It eliminates the frustration of having unmatched socks cluttering your laundry space. Similarly, you can apply color coding to other items like underwear, ensuring each family member has their designated color or style. It makes it easier to sort and fold laundry and simplifies the process of putting away clean clothes. It also reduces the chances of items getting mixed up or misplaced. Implementing matching or color coding doesn't have to be complicated. You can start by selecting a specific color or pattern for each family member and gradually build a cohesive system. You can also use labels or markers to distinguish between items easily. By reducing the time spent searching for matches or sorting through piles of laundry, you can streamline your laundry routine and make it more efficient. Matching or color coding saves you time and helps maintain an organized and minimalist laundry space. It is a simple yet effective strategy that adds ease and simplicity to your laundry process, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your minimalist lifestyle. 5. Create drop zones for laundry. Creating drop zones for laundry is an essential step in simplifying your laundry routine as a minimalist. A drop zone is a designated area where you can quickly and conveniently discard your dirty clothes. Having specific spots for clothing to accumulate can prevent the common problem of clothes piling up on the floor or scattered throughout your home. To create a drop zone, choose a high-traffic area that is easily accessible and close to where clothing tends to be removed. It can be a corner of your bedroom, a hallway, or a laundry room. The key is to make it convenient and discreet so it doesn't become an eyesore for you or your guests. Consider using a laundry basket or hamper to serve as your drop zone. Place it in the chosen area and encourage everyone in your household to use it consistently. Teach your family to throw their dirty clothes into the designated basket instead of leaving them scattered around. This simple habit will save you time and effort when collecting and sorting the laundry later. By implementing a drop zone, you're creating a centralized location for your laundry. This makes it easier to stay organized and ensures that dirty clothes are kept separate from clean ones. You'll have a clear visual cue of how much laundry needs to be done, eliminating the need to search for scattered clothing throughout the house. Additionally, having a drop zone can help with sorting and prioritizing laundry. As you collect the clothes from the designated area, you can quickly assess which items need immediate attention and which can wait. This way, you can focus on washing the essentials and reduce the overwhelm of dealing with a massive pile of laundry. Remember to make the drop zone a regular part of your routine. Encourage everyone in your household to utilize it consistently and emphasize the importance of tidying the space. With a well-organized drop zone, you'll find that doing laundry becomes more streamlined and efficient, leaving you with more time and energy for other activities. 6. Bonus tip: make your laundry detergent. Making laundry detergent can be a game changer for any minimalist and frugal laundry routine. It's not only incredibly easy, but it also offers numerous benefits for both your wallet and the environment. By taking just a few minutes to whip up a batch of homemade detergent, you'll have a supply that can last for weeks, if not months, depending on your household size. The beauty of DIY laundry detergent lies in its simplicity. You'll only need a few basic ingredients, most of which you probably already have at home or can easily find at your local store. The main components typically include washing soda, borax, and grated bar soap. Some recipes also call for baking soda or essential oils to add a fresh scent to your laundry. To make your laundry detergent, start by grating a bar of soap of your choice. You can use a plain bar or try one with a scent you love for a more personalized touch. Next, combine the grated soap with equal parts washing soda and borax. Mix them thoroughly and voila! Your homemade laundry detergent is ready to use. Now let's talk about the benefits. Firstly, cost savings. Store-bought detergents can be expensive, and these costs increase over time. Making your detergent can significantly reduce your laundry expenses without compromising cleaning power. Plus, since you're using simple ingredients, you'll avoid the added chemicals found in some commercial detergents. Secondly, environmental friendliness. Many store-bought detergents contain harsh chemicals and artificial fragrances that can harm the environment. You can choose natural ingredients and reduce your ecological footprint by creating your detergent. It's a small step towards living a more sustainable and eco-conscious lifestyle. And there you have it, my friends, my complete guide on how to do laundry as a minimalist. Remember, simplicity is the key. Less stuff, less stress. I hope you found these tips helpful, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Also, don't forget to comment and share your minimalist laundry hacks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay minimalist, frugal, and fabulous.